Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this Peugeot Rifter in the GT line specification. So this car has a lovely panoramic glass roof, there's 17-inch alloy wheels, you get sliding side doors with tinted rear windows, there's also rear parking sensors. Now inside the car the touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. To tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.